Well, good morning, world. It's Friday. It's 8:30 in the morning. Kevin and I have just walked out into the garage. We just came from coffee with friends, and we're going to actually do some work on beauty this morning. Uh, First of all, I had never known that on the 75, this bolt down here, this right there, is apparently a opening for a timing plug. Now, I don't know if it's the same timing plug that Triumphs use or not, but we are going to pull this out and see if the normal timing plug that we use on Triumphs will fit here, and how does it go into the crankshaft, and does it check both top, dead center, and full advance. But that's what the part book says it is, and since there's no oil in the engine per se, we shouldn't lose any oil when we pull it out, and I don't know if you do when there is oil in the engine, so we're just going to take a look at that and see what we see. In the meantime, the timing side is back together, and over here we're just getting ready to put the clutch assembly in on this side. We did a lot of work here that we didn't videotape day before yesterday, I think it was, mainly because we were thrashing and a trying and a trying and a thrashing. We haven't done enough of these to be competent enough to actually videotape the process, because well, anyway, we had to feel fondle and try out different ways to get all this in here, and we won't know until we actually kick the bike over with the Kickstarter to see if the engine rotates in the right direction. So that's the way we are. What can I say? We're going to tighten down this clutch nut, then we're going to tighten down the drive nut. We're locking the inner and outer so we can tighten that, and then we'll use that to turn this. It's an adventure. So that's what we're doing today, and I will give you an update every now and then, but probably not in the detail that you would really like, because once again, we don't do enough 75s to know all the tricks and the processes and the procedures and the sequences. So we're learning along with you. So that's what we're doing. We'll be back after a while. Okay, well, here's the final update for the moment, for the day. It's 11:15. We're going to go to lunch with a buddy of ours. And the bike is ready for first spin. We've got the ignition timing set with the static setting. Everything's put together and closed up temporarily. And we're ready to spin over the motor to check the starter. So I reached up to turn on the key, and wow, we don't have a key. And I'm saying to myself, did we ever have a key? So I searched the whole garage, and I can't find it. So I don't know. I'm going to call the client and see if he didn't leave it. Oh, I hope he didn't leave it, because that means, well, that would be bad. Yeah. So anyway, that's where we are. We're down to the last few nuts and bolts, putting things together, and that's where we are. We're going to call it a day. Okay, well, addendum to the addendum that I just did the addendum to. We found the key. It was in the seat cover of the seat lock. So we now have keys up here. Look, we have keys. They make an ointment for that. But we have keys, and we've got the plugs out, and we're going to turn the key on. Kevin's going to hit the starter for just momentarily to see if all right, we're all good. If it moves, and if it moves without going screech, we'll try a spin, see what happens.
Ready, boss?
Yep. Boy, that's lovely.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Oh, that is just sweet.
Nope.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, so we're actually ready to do a first start, and we'll probably do that tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, well, Steve's going to be here in a minute.
No, 11:15.
11:15?
So we got 25 minutes.
It's
up to you. It's your
no, we can do a start right now with the primary open.
Yeah.
We need to get the timing light out.
Well, we'll just see if it starts.
I know.
Whatever you want.
No, I don't want to do it under pressure.
Okay.
So we'll just leave it at this for the moment,
Sounds good.
and either do it. We'll do it tomorrow morning. We got
Mm-hmm.
we got time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we're gonna call it a day and take a lunch with a good buddy who's going to come over in a little while, and pick it up tomorrow.